Okay, so welcome Ramya. Let's start with the week 4, correct? We are at week 4 and we have already done lots of activities during this last 3 weeks. So let's begin this with the agenda of the week, agenda of the day actually. So this is, I'll just show you what is the agenda of week 4 so that we are aware and everything will be doing accordingly. Okay. So here we are. We are at week 4 where we are going to talk about lead generation and call booking system. Correct? So what we are going to do is we are going to create a lead magnet. We're also going to create a VSL style presentation and a call booking funnel. Right? What do you mean by call booking funnel? I'll be explaining it here.
VSL mana?
VSL is video sales letter.
Okay.
Right. And I'll tell you how to set up your Calendly and integrate with your Zoom, right? So that the call booking happens. See, I'm doing at a fast pace, I would say. You have to just cope up with the pace which I'm, going through. क्योंकि बिना इसके ना होगा नहीं. See, what is the purpose? Remember, I told you to create content. Now, if somebody wants to book a call with you, where should he go? Right? And I do not recommend sharing your phone number on the social media, especially for ladies, because you'll be getting lots of unwanted calls. And the best part is all these tools are so good that even without you sharing your number, mobile number, email ID, you can do all those things. Right?
Wow.
The purpose is to book a call, right? The purpose is to book a call for people who are interested in you, who have already seen you, who know you, and they want to get some kind of a help from you, right? So for that, we have to create a system. Otherwise, what happens is, let's say you created a post or you did a comment, people liked it. Now they want to see, they want to look for Ramya. Let's say somebody wants to book a call with Ramya or discuss something with Ramya. What will they do? So if we do not create that system, even if people are interested, they'll be, losing away their interest and you'll be losing business. So this comes as a part of your lead generation and call booking system. Okay.
This comes as a rescue system also, sir.
It has to be. It has to be. See, you cannot do everything manually. You cannot be, 24/7 at your toes. So the system helps you to make things happen for you. Correct? Now, before we start, I wanted to know, you have a Zoom account, right?
No, sir.
You don't have. So, see,
I'm
Zoom,
using Google Meet.
Google Meet. Yeah, the Google Meet is also okay. But Zoom is preferred. Why Zoom is preferred? Because the interface of Zoom is better, number one. And it has, more features than Google Meet, I'll tell you. Second, Zoom gives you 40 minutes of free session. If you want to integrate or do something, you'll have to get into the paid subscription as well. Paid is not that much that you cannot afford to do it. If it is a part of your business, obviously, I always say it is like paying your electricity bill or internet bill. So Zoom is also an integral part of our system. You'll have to pay for it. If you want a paid subscription, do explore and let me know. I can help you get a better, deal. I have few people in contact who are doing this. Again, everything authorized. I don't have any say to it. I'll just connect you to that person where you can get it in a...
मेरी भलाई के लिए कर रहे हैं आप. I can understand.
Exactly. तो उसमें क्या था ना, even I have taken Zoom. See, I'm just telling you, I was paying Zoom 1,700 rupees per month. Later on, I came to know about this people who are doing a, third party kind of a service. And now today I'm doing it at 599. Yes.
भाग्य है ये. I'll take this.
And with all the pro features, remember, with all the pro features, nothing, to worry about it. So that is what I'm saying. See, if it is a part of your business, you have to invest little money here and there. And overall, if I tell you overall, if you ask me how much money I'm investing today in the tools, I'm using, I think, 6 paid tools. And if you calculate all the cost, it won't go beyond 6,000 rupees per month. So don't you think this is just as good as, renting a space anywhere?
Worth. See, that's the reason. Since I didn't have many of the Zoom calls, so I put into Google. But now, and even when I heard for the Zoom, thought they told me 5,000, 35,000, ऐसे कुछ बोला है. Then I thought, this is not the right time. But as you rightly mentioned, the good numbers are sounding good.
Yeah. There are. I'm using all the paid tools, and I'm telling you, I have a resource, I would say, it's not mine, but there are people with whom I'm interacting and they have given me some good deals, and that good deals are helping me to make it smoother for my monthly recurring cost, right?
Sir, you already started. Why would I reinvent the wheel again? I am behind you. Just I'll follow.
Yeah, exactly. You don't need to. I did it. I paid, I think, Zoom a lot of money that way because I was not aware कि ऐसा भी कोई option होता है. But anyway, so there are options. Don't worry about it. Fair? Now let's start. Do you have a Calendly account already made?
Sometime before I made, I never use it properly.
Okay. So you
वो
have
है
to,
पता है किसी का appointment मेरे appointment के लिए I didn't use it properly, sir. I know that is there.
okay. So I'll tell you, Calendly will give you one call booking calendar for free. If you are gonna go for more than one, then it will asking you to go for paid subscription, right? So as of now, we need only one call booking thing. That's it. So what you have to do is you just have to sign up.
One per day, sir.
No. One forever. It's not one
forever.
per day. You can book maximum number of calls for the whole day. 24 घंटा आप book कर सकते हो, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But it has to be on our personal thing. उसको business or enterprise में नहीं करना. When you log in, it will ask you about that, right? So you'll have to say that I'm using it for personal use, right? So I want you to just do it right here. आप screen share करके करो, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, because that is what is one of those major components which you have to do.
So directly I am
Open calendly.com and share the screen. I'll show you. कुछ नहीं करना है, like any tool which you sign up, just have to sign up.
Okay. Sir, my screen is visible now, sir?
Yeah. Screen is visible. Type Calendly. Yeah, this one. Second one. Yeah, first one. Correct. Yeah, click there. Get started for free. Yeah, since you have not yet done, you can sign it with Google as well. Yeah, sign up with Google. Correct.
और मेरा रम्या अगस्ती का अकाउंट से ही जाएगा ये.
वो आपके गूगल पे तो आपको पास नहीं करना, आपको मेल ईमेल आईडी वगैरह डालने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. इफ यू डू इट दिस वे, select one, select any one of this, which account you, बस keep remembering कौन सा अकाउंट से करता है. Continue. Yeah, continue again. Here you are.
My own?
Yeah, my own. Correct. It will ask about how can Calendly help you. Just meet with multiple attendees. That's it. Yeah, select one. Yeah, you can go for next. You can put it scheduled meetings as well. The fourth, last one. Second column, last scheduled meetings.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it.
The other things will come under paid category.
No. You don't need it. You can do it later as well. Go to next.
Okay.
Yeah.
It also collects payment also. Oh.
It has also upgraded itself, right? Do not do that. What is your role? So you can say sales recruitment education, put it education or others. Consulting. No, it's better is consulting.
But own बोल के consulting लिखने से.
You can do a consulting on your own. Na? You don't need to have a company for this.
Okay. Next, Bonu?
Yeah, next.
Next.
Now it is asking you to connect Google Calendar. Don't need it to. No. Do not connect as of now. Not needed. That we can do it later as well. Next. Yeah. Again, it is asking select the same account. Continue. Continue again. Yeah. Now you have successfully created your account on Calendly. Correct? Now it is asking about when are you available to meet with people, your timing, what time you are available on a weekly basis, if you are available on Sundays or not. Everything you can do it here. Now, for the sake of simplicity, I'm just telling you, do not give up full range of 9 to 5. Let's say, since you are a woman, obviously house, kitchen, kids, everything would be there. Let's say, for example, you are free at 12.
10 to 12 or 10 to 2.
10 to 12 or 10 to 2, whatever it is. But do not give that range. You need to give how much time you want to give for one meeting.
Okay.
Right? So let's say you are okay to go for, as of now, let's say you are not using paid Zoom. You have only 40 minutes. Let's say, for example, and your timing starts from, let's say, 12 o'clock, for example. So go to Monday. I'm just giving you one thing to do. Go to Monday, click on that 9 a.m., select 12 p.m., not 12 a.m., 12 p.m. Go down, go down, go down, scroll down. Yeah. Yeah, 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Select 12 p.m. Yeah, right. And then here again, put it there. Let's say 12:30. For example, half an hour. You can select it. You can select it here from here as well.
So
हाँ उधर से भी कर सकते हो कुछ भी नहीं. That's it. For example, so Monday, now you know that Monday your calendar is open for half an hour. So anybody who is getting access to your calendar, they can book a call at 12 to 12:30, right? So you need to be very sure कि आपके life में, आपके routine में 12 to 12:30 you have to keep yourself free. Remember? That way. So same time, same way you can create your availability. This is your availability. Remember, this is your availability. What time you are going to be available for taking those meetings if somebody wants to meet you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, the point is, if you give whole day free, people will think iske paas to kaam hi nahi hai. Exactly. I'll tell you, this is a human psychology. So what you have to do is you have to open 2 slots or 3 slots per day, not more than that. Now, let's say, for example, you have added 12 to 12:30. Now, if you want another slot, go to the plus sign next to the cross on Monday. Yeah. Now you can book another, you can keep another slot here as well. Let's say you are, PM. If you are free at 1:32, you can make 1:30 to 2. Right? Right? Now, if you want to take a call in the evening, if you are okay, or if you are not, if you are okay with 2, good. If you want to increase one more, you can do one more. Similarly, you can click on that plus sign. You can do one more. 2:30 se leke 3 o'clock. Whatever time suits you. It is your availability, and that is what I'm telling you. Okay. Right? Done? Yes, sir. So this is Monday. Similarly, you can do it for all the days whenever you are available. Fair? Okay. Done? Go down. Go down. It will take you to the next thing. Scroll. Yeah. Go to next. Now it is asking me to how you'd like people to meet with. Now you can integrate with Google Meet or Zoom as well. Whatever way you want to integrate, you can integrate. If you want to integrate with Google Meet, I would recommend Zoom because Zoom is having a better interface. But उसके लिए Zoom का आपका account बना है? You have a Zoom account? Regularly, whichever I'm logging, it is there. That's it. I didn't have anything separate. You can try connecting it. So you can continue. Now I'll take the new one which you are also suggesting me, sir. Immediately I'll get into it. कोई बात नहीं अभी फिलहाल आई कैन ओके वी कैन डू इट लेटर ऑन एज वेल बट मैं भी आपको बता रहा हूँ कैसे जूम को कनेक्ट करना है राइट नाउ इट इज शोइंग यू ना देयर इज अ बटन कॉल्ड कनेक्ट जूम अकाउंट राइट ओके तो क्लिक ऑन दिस कनेक्ट जूम अकाउंट कर दिए कनेक्ट जूम योर फर्स्ट शेड्यूलिंग लिंक हैज बीन क्रिएटेड नाउ फिनिश ओके नाउ इट इज सेइंग लोकेशन जूम कनेक्शन एरर आपका देखो तो इसमें ड्रॉप डाउन में क्या दिखा रहा है location you first schedule link your first has been created that is okay nahi the right hand side mein there is a thing na zoom location zoom connection error dikha raha hai nahi इधर उसमें drop down में इधर ही हाँ उधर उसी के नीचे check it here what it is saying यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है नहीं राइट हैंड साइड में ना जो बार खुला है ना इवेंट टाइप सेव चेंजेस मोर एंड सेव चेंजेस इट्स इकोइंग सिस्टम का आवाज भी आ रहा है नो आप गूगल क्रोम हेल्प में चले गए मूव आउट ऑफ दिस हाँ इसको ड्रॉप डाउन में देखो क्या लिख रहा है इसमें हाँ लोकेशन में गो टू द ड्रॉप डाउन एरो जो बना हुआ है हाँ योर जूम अकाउंट इज नॉट कनेक्टेड या कनेक्ट जूम करो आप It will ask you for the login. I think you have not logged into Zoom. That's why it is not connecting.
Oh,
Zoom
I
for
do it from browser
myself.
usually.
Yes, connect Zoom for myself. Right side, right side, right side. Yeah.
मेरा सामने एक फोन है इसलिए मुझे इधर उधर I mean I
अच्छा,
have to.
कोई बात नहीं. Now here, okay. Now sign in. This is the email ID and password. Check for the password. If it is okay, and sign in.
Sir, if you can stop recording or something, I can check the password, sir, because मुझे याद नहीं आएगा वापस.
आप unshare कर दो ना, unshare कर दो, फिर we can come because this is
Yeah,
streaming
done,
live
done.
as well.
Got it. Sharing stop कर दी. Oh, got it. Sign in. Now I'll share back.
Yeah.
For sure, Zoom interface is only the comfortable one, sir.
Yeah, 100%.
Google is little troublesome. Sir, is my screen visible now?
Yeah, it's visible. Go to the
Yes, sir.
Calendly one. इसमें भी sign in आपका हुआ नहीं हुआ? Sign in करो आप.
I guess I did ना sign in कर दी मैंने.
नहीं, फिर से करो आप. Sign in नहीं हुआ है उसका. Go to your Calendly page.
सर इट इज यही है पे डांस कर रही है.
हाँ कुछ है. ओके, अभी साइन इन हुआ नहीं. गो टू योर Calendly पेज. उधर देखना क्या है, क्या बोल रहे हैं उधर.
हाँ.
सेव चेंजेस नॉट एट कनेक्टेड. एक बार इसको एक बार सेव चेंजेस कर लो पहले. राइट साइड में बॉटम में सेव चेंजेस करो. एक बार रिफ्रेश करो आप इस पेज को फ्रॉम द टॉप पर. हाँ, अभी आप जूम पे लॉगिन ही आपका नहीं हो रहा है. गो टू जूम अगेन, गो बैक. जूम आपका साइन इन नहीं हुआ है. कैन यू सी? साइन इन होता तो आपका नाम आता ना.
हाँ.
So you are logging
This-
through, no. You are logging through email or Gmail?
Gmail.
No, then select Google down. Yeah, यहाँ पे. Yes, now select it. So remember, there is a difference between selecting with logging with Gmail or logging with email.
हाँ.
Yes, now it is showing you are about to add calendar to Zoom. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Then allow, down, allow. Yeah. That is why it was not happening.
Oh, वही पे घूम के आ रहा था पहले.
Now it is saying Zoom account connected using Ramya. So your Zoom and Calendly is now connected. Got it? Now you don't
Yes,
have
sir.
to do anything. Now what you have to do is you have to set some questions in the Calendly. Because whenever somebody
back?
is... No, here only. Let it be here. Yeah. Now you can see there is one meeting here showing 30 minutes meeting, correct? Now you'll have to, edit this. And here the first save changes, this Zoom error would be going off, I believe. एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लेना आप इसको, तो ये लोकेशन एरर जो दिखा रहा है ना वो खत्म हो जाएगा. Refresh it again. Because once it is connected, it will not show the error. Yeah. See? The error has gone now. That means it's already connected, correct? Fair?
Yes, sir. मुझे error तो दिखाई नहीं दे. I'm just blindly looking to left and right.
Yeah, there is no error. Now I can see the screen. Now that error has gone because now your Zoom is already connected to Calendly. Fair?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
what happens is Calendly gives you certain questions to ask from the person who is booking the call with you.
Okay.
So you'll have to put some questions. How are you going to put some questions? So on the right hand side, go scroll down. Right hand side, scroll down. Yeah. Can you see again? Availability we have selected for Monday. You can do it for every other thing. You have to do it. Later on, you can do it. Now go to more options. Go to more options. Bottom center. Yeah. Now it is asking about the description limits. Now it will ask about the invitee form. Can you see the invitee form?
Yes, sir.
Click on that.
Yes, sir. Invitee
Now it is
details.
asking about the invitee details. Okay, what all details you want your invitee to put in? Correct?
Name,
So,
email,
yeah,
and
you
phone
can,
number also if
yeah,
necessary.
yeah, there are options, don't worry. यहाँ पे इसको ऑटोफिल पे क्लिक कर लो आप. इनवाइटी नेम, ईमेल एंड फोन नंबर तो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा. ठीक है. Now go down. Now there are multiple questions here. Can you see question number 1? Right? Now what I'll do is I'll give you a document. Let me show you that document. Okay, you can unshare. I'll show you first and then you'll have to do it parallelly so that you create your questionnaire right here. Okay, so now this is a document which I've created for creating your call booking application. So this is something what you have to do is this is a small document where I'm talking about how to do this. In this particular document, I have mentioned that you have to ask some questions, application questions, correct? Now the name, email number and phone number by default, it is there. Now here, the other questions are like, I have mentioned 9 questions. Fair? The questions are, what are you currently at with goal? Please elaborate and be specific. Where do you want to be with goal? Please elaborate and be specific. What do you think you need help with the most right now and get there? Can you see? These are the questions. Now you have to tweak these questions for your particular thing. These are my
What
questions.
is your pain point? What do you wanted to
Exactly. So what I'll
achieve
do,
out of
Ramya,
this session?
exactly.
Yes, sir.
So Ramya, what I'll do is I'll just give you this sheet in the group itself so that other people can also make use of it. In this particular group only, I'm gonna share that. Fine. So what you have to do, you can later on complete this set of questionnaires. By the time, what you have to do now is you can open your screen again. Yeah. Now you understood where you have to mention all this, correct? Question number 1. Now you will be finding multiple answers. There is a checkbox required. Few questions would be compulsory, right? So for compulsory question, you have to click this checkbox, the required one, right?
Oh, okay. Question number 1, required money compulsory.
Compulsory. Without filling this answer, people will not be able to move forward.
For the next question. Yes,
for the next question, right? Now you don't have to collect payment as of now, but you have to complete similar questions like this. Add new questions. Can you see add new question here? Below the status one. Yeah, add new question.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you need to fill those at least 5, 6
9
questions. 9 questions max. Should not be like a bunch of questions. People feel like,
they'll be tired and they'll be
tired.
lost.
So 5 to 6 maximum. I have done it 9 because out of 9, I think 2, 3 are name numbers and all. Right? Now you can save changes. So this way, what will happen is there is an error. You have not mentioned any question, so delete this one. Question 2 के आगे there is a delete button, na? Delete this. Yeah, then save changes. Because it senses that you are doing something, but you have not completed. That's why. Fair. Now, what has happened is you have created your Zoom meeting for 30 minutes. Right? Zoom meeting, you have connected your Calendly with Zoom. So these 2 parts are done. Can you see? Now what you have to do is to get your calls booked, you need to share this link to the people so that they can go fill the questions and book a call. The moment they book a call, you will get a notification from Zoom and Calendly as well. Similarly, the person who is booking the call will get a link from the Zoom on their email ID. This happens without you doing anything. That's the good part of the system. Right?
Now, this all comes into the WhatsApp or mail?
No, mail. Because here you are capturing the mail ID, remember. You are capturing the mail ID. So by default, this link will be sent to those people who are booking the call on their email IDs. Right? By default. Now, where would you find this link? So again, close this one. Get your first booking. Close this pop-up. Pop-up band kar do. Got it kar do. Koi baat nahi. Right? Now you can see this. Event types में आपने देखा ना, इसमें एक copy link आ रहा है. Can you see the right hand side copy link?
Yes, sir.
So copy this link, and this link you can share to anybody who is willing to book the call. You can save it at your place as well. You can customize this as well. You can save this link to you yourself as well. अपने WhatsApp को आप भेज दो, so that you do not forget. So this is your call booking link or Calendly link, whatever you want to say there.
Send to my mom first.
Good one. You can send it to yourself as well.
Yes, sir. Sentimentally पहला वाला तो मम्मी से करूंगी अभी भी.
Right. Now this is the link which you can share with anybody to book your call. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And this link is already pre-integrated with your Zoom. So you don't have to send any Zoom link for anybody. You got it?
So if anybody wants to have, in my profession, people usually wanted to have a discovery call kind of a thing.
Yeah.
Usme ganta they'll take whole time and they'll tell whole history. By the time of consulting itself, they'll see they'll use the smartness. Now this is the right way for me to cut in half an hour.
Correct. And here now latest update from Calendly is if you want to make this call a paid one, right?
Okay.
So you can collect payment as well. Can you see here? Collect payment for your event. Down.
Payment. Yes, sir. Right side.
Click on this. See what it is saying. Again, it is asking for a payment processor. I'm not sure whether you have any payment gateway associated with you or not. Do you have any? Okay, no, I'll tell you to do it later on. As of now, for the call booking, it is not required, but we can do it later on. So there are a lot of options from this tool as well. That too
इससे भी करेंगे sir, because my professional hitch is very much. I'm a person who can't ask upfront, but if it goes by the process, people will do it.
Yes.
People would come and take sessions and sessions, and they don't even mind that it goes on for them 5-6 sessions. वो लोग 3 sessions के लिए book करेगा और 10 sessions के लिए batting हो जाएगा हमारा कभी-कभी. Okay. I became little tough, but not to the market level toughness.
Understood. So what I'll suggest you to do this, even this is a recent feature which Calendly has launched to collect payment. Previously, it was not there. Correct? So I'll be exploring how to do this here if you want to collect payment out here. Otherwise, there are different payment tools, payment gateways, right? So payment gateways also help you to do this as well. So either this way or that way, you will be able to collect payment before you go on the call. Correct? So that will do it. Okay?
So if they have to book a call to me, they have to pay and come.
Yes.
Yes. So will Calendly do that job for us, sir?
Yes, that is what I'm saying. This payment option is that for that only. ठीक है, बट इसके लिए भी मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए अभी ये इसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है. हो सकता है इट माइट आस्क यू फॉर अ पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ Calendly. I'm not sure about it. So these are certain limitations of the tools, but you know, features are there.
आपके हाथ में छोड़ रहे हैं sir. Once you do your R&D, do let me know which is the easiest and better way.
Correct.
So that I'll just share them a link. Only when they complete the process, they'll come back to me.
Correct. So for that, I'll tell you to go and explore another tool, which is a payment gateway integration. Razorpay.
हाँ.
Razorpay पे आप जाके अकाउंट बना लेना, क्योंकि उसमें वेरिफिकेशन होता है, KYC वगैरह सब कुछ होता है, राइट? उसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा आपको करने पे, but do explore it at your end. I'm using Razorpay for Indian customers and I'm using Stripe for international customers. So I'm using 2 different payment gateways which are helping me to collect payments. Correct? So that is not part of this today's session, but आप इसको आगे से कर लेना. In the meantime, since it's a new feature which has been now given by Calendly, I'll also explore what all it is asking for. And if it is not complicated, I'll tell you to do it here only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I believe in whatever you suggest, I'll follow.
ठीक है, so Calendly का हो गया. अभी हमें क्या करना है? Now let's go to the next part. अभी हमें करना क्या है? हमें करना है call booking funnel बनाना है, right? So now you stop your screen. I'll tell you what do you mean by a call booking funnel. So you understand a funnel, right? What is a funnel?
Large group of people getting into it and then get qualified, and only the serious people will come to us. Exactly. And get connected.
Exactly. So the purpose is to get paid clients. Fair? Now in our business, paid clients would come mostly when they book a call with us and they connect with us, and then we tell them what to do, what not to do. Once they're, confident that yes, we are the right fit for them, then they proceed and we ask for the payment. Correct? For our main services. Fair? तो अभी क्या करना होता है उसके लिए हमें एक सिस्टम बनाना पड़ेगा. ठीक, we want to create a system for that. So I'll show you what system I'm referring to, and similar system you'll have to create. So I'll show you a link where you'll be able to understand what I mean by a call booking funnel, right? So let me show you this. I'll share my screen and show you. It's a live example, so you'll be able to make it. So if you go to my website, so this is my website. First of all, let me take you to my website. This is my website, right? This is a full-fledged website. But on this website also, I have given a button called Book Your Call Now. So this is not just a call booking funnel.
One second, sir. One
Yeah.
second, sir. So sorry. Thank you. I'm back.
Okay. So I'm saying this is not just a call booking. This is a call booking funnel. So if I click on this, I'll be redirected to a page. Can you see this page?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Step
So
one of two.
Yeah, this page says, watch this video right now. You might risk getting your call cancelled if you don't. And this is step 1 of 2. Watch the entire video before your call. Very important. Now there is a video which is playing here. Right? And then you can see there is a button saying step 2. Check out our client reviews to see what the people actually paid us to get help us saying. Correct? And if you click here, you see there are multiple case studies. Can you see the case studies pages?
Yes, sir.
Here? So
Yes,
there are
sir.
multiple videos which are talking about the case studies, the success stories, and so on and so forth. Right? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Now you
Nice
see
thumbnails.
there is another button called check more and book a call. So after reaching till here, if somebody is very much convinced and they want to book a call right here, they can click and go to a booking call, right? So the link which is just created for Calendly, it is there behind this button.
Oh, secret button. Link.
It's not secret. There is a link behind this button. So somebody clicking here will be redirected to this particular page. And you see there is a page opening up here for call booking, Calendly page. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So that is called the entire funnel. So what happened? Understood? What happened? Somebody wanted to talk to you, right? So the moment they showed interest, they landed on a landing page. This is what we call the landing page, the first one, which you saw, right? So after the landing page, when they wanted to book the call, they landed on the thank you page. This is called a thank you page, right?
Okay.
And now they are able to book the call with you. You are nowhere here. Remember, you are nowhere here. Everything is happening remotely without your physical presence for the people who want to book a call with you. Right?
Yes, sir.
And people can only book the call on the time which you have already mentioned.
Mm,
Remember, you mentioned 3 time slots for Monday. Correct? So
yes,
only
sir.
those spots would be visible for them to book a call. Not anybody.
Oh,
Not
like yours on 24, 25, 26, 27,
Yeah,
चारों ही
yeah.
दिखाई दे रही है.
अभी 4 दिन का open हो रहा है ना. See, Sunday it is off. 23 it is not active. Can you see that? 22nd भी नहीं होगा. 24th you can see. If I click on 24th, you can see there are 2 options available, 11 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. So I have
Yes, sir.
only,
Yes, sir.
because I know Monday this is the available time for me.
This is how we also blocked your first conversation.
Yeah, exactly. So, this is a system which is gonna work. So what you have to do is you'll have to create this, right? Backend wala kaam aapne kar liya hai. Integration of Zoom and Calendly has been done. Now you have to create a simple page like this, right? You're getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So when I say you have to create a page like this, let me just show you the page again. So this is the page. So actually this is the landing page which I want to show you here. ऐसा पेज आपको एक सिंपल बनाना पड़ेगा. इसमें कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है. आपने देखा इस पेज में कुछ है ही नहीं. दिस इज जस्ट 2 line text and 1 video. That's it. ठीक है. लेकिन अब आपका काम क्या है, यू हैव टू क्रिएट दिस वीडियो टू इंक्लूड इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर पेज. पेज तो 2 मिनट का काम है, बट वीडियो बनाना का टाइम लगेगा आपका थोड़ा सा.
हाँ.
नाउ व्हाट टू से इन दिस वीडियो?
What are they going to have in the next call and how they have to be prepared for it?
Exactly, but not about what you are gonna teach or what they are gonna learn. It is a first call which is there for you to tell them what is there gonna be inside the system which they are opting for in future. So इसमें आपको ज्ञान नहीं देना है, इसमें आपको सिस्टम के बारे में बताना है. What is your system gonna do for them? Right? अब आप बोलोगे मेरे को नहीं पता कैसे करना है कि मेरे सिस्टम के अंदर क्या होगा. So for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a template of what I have been doing. मेरा जो अपना बना हुआ है ना funnel, ये same चीज I'm gonna show you. So this is a template. This is a number of slides are there. This is a presentation. Can you see this presentation?
Yes, sir.
इस presentation में there are something around 61 slides, right? So this is a template. You can copy this template for your thing, right? अपना फोटो लगा के, इसमें बहुत चीज ऐसी है जो कि बहुत कॉमन रहेगा आपके लिए, हमारे लिए, सारे कोचेस के लिए. सो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम गोना शेयर दिस टू यू एज अ लिंक, right? But what you have to do is you have to make a copy first. I'm copying this link and I'm giving to you.
वो कैनवा में जा रहा है.
हाँ, कैनवा का लिंक है. यस, कैनवा का लिंक है. मैं आपको इसी में दे देता हूँ अपना कोचिंग एक्स. सो कैनवा लिंक, आलोक ऑफर वीडियो टेम्पलेट, राइट? ठीक है. सो आई हैव शेयर्ड दिस लिंक टू यू. अभी आपको करना क्या होगा, इफ आई अगेन ओपन माय डॉक्यूमेंट, यू सी इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हियर. आपने देखा उस वीडियो में यही वाला पेज दिख रहा था आपको फ्रंट?
हाँ, यस सर. बिहाइंड एक पिक्चर है आपका जो सेशन में ले रहा था. सामने यही आ रहा है.
एग्जैक्टली आ रहा है. यही थंबनेल भी है. So this is the thumbnail also for that particular video because I want people to see this. I want people to see this. If you go that way.
Okay.
Hey, welcome. Thank you so much for showing your interest in booking a one-on-one call with me. Yes, I'm really thankful and I'm excited to meet you as well. But before we do that, I want you to know what this entire system is and why it is unique. So I want people to see this thumbnail because I want people to watch this video, right? तो अभी इसमें कोई ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना, एकदम as simple as that. ठीक है? And inside this video क्या होने वाला है? So first of all, what you will have to do is you have to create a presentation based on the template which I have given. Great? Template मैंने आपको दे दिया है. उस template में आपको बस थोड़ा थोड़ा changes करोगे. You can do it in 10 minutes, I'm sure.
Sure, sir.
ठीक है?
I just need to change the color of it and little content to the my subject style. That's
yes, yes. So it is a full-fledged template. इसमें मैंने कुछ testimonials लगाए हैं. If you have, you can do it. If you do not have, कोई बात नहीं है. But there are different testimonials as well in this. See, the purpose of this particular video is to make sure the people who are booking the call, they were highly, what do you say? Comfortable coming and taking a decision. ट्रस्ट बनाने के लिए होता है ना? टेस्टिमोनियल भी हम इसमें दिखा रहे हैं, वीडियो भी दिखा रहे हैं, पूरा प्रोसेस हमने बता दिया.
पुराना testimonials are not, I mean, there are different testimonials of different sessions, but leadology we didn't start anything, so I think
we'll see. एक बार आप मुझे बताना कि कैसा है, then I'll see whether to use it or not, right? तो इसमें बहुत सारा टेक्स्ट टेस्टिमोनियल्स है, बहुत सारा वीडियो, बहुत सारा नहीं, मतलब कुछ वीडियो टेस्टिमोनियल्स हैं एंड कुछ टेक्स्ट टेस्टिमोनियल्स है, so that people can make out that this person is good to go with, right? So ये आपको मैंने बना दिया. So once this presentation is done, what you have to do is you have to shoot a video by explaining this particular presentation जैसे मैंने वीडियो में बनाया है. You getting my point?
Okay.
First step is create this presentation. Leave apart.
Okay.
Second, I'll show you again. Now, if you see this, thank you so much for showing your interest in booking a one-on-one call with me. Yes, I'm really thankful and I'm excited to meet you as well. But before we do that, I want you to know what this entire system is and why it is unique, what you're gonna get so that we meet the end result, which is success and growth. So this is a unique program which I call the hand-holding personalized mentoring by Alok, which is me. So let's understand what's so unique about this. So this is, as I said, a personalized hand-holding mentoring with me, and I'm introducing the first ever, the Coaching X. X is your factor, right? And this system is built on uniqueness, which is yours, as well as experience, which is mine. And both combined together will create a system for you to grow inside your coaching business, right? So what you get inside this Coaching X? So I call this Coaching X a unique system which understands and feels you. See, what I'm doing is I'm explaining this entire presentation which has been made.
आपका video, I mean, your talking video is on the top, but you're still moving the slides. How did you do this, sir?
Simple on Zoom. Zoom पे record किया और कुछ नहीं है.
Then I have to take the Zoom thing today only.
उसके लिए pro की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You don't have to take pro version. This can be done on a normal Zoom. But going forward, you definitely need to get a paid Zoom for sure. ठीक है, तो अभी आपको क्या करना है? The first step is you have already done. Calendly आपने कर लिया, Zoom से integrate कर दिया. Second is you have to create this presentation, right? And once the presentation is ready, you have to shoot a video explaining this presentation. ठीक है, अब इस वीडियो को हम इस पेज में बनाएंगे. So I'm integrating it backwards. Can you understand? हमने पहले उसको कर लिया, अब हमने वीडियो बना लिया,
वीडियो भी बना दिया.
Now this video is one part of this entire page. अब हमें पेज बनाना होगा. ऐसा एक पेज बनेगा ना, where you have to post it. Correct? ये वीडियो हवा में तो नहीं जाएगा. Correct? See, now you can ask कि sir, I can create this video, I can put it on YouTube as well. है ना? तो उधर से क्यों नहीं कर सकते? उधर से इसलिए नहीं कर सकते कि YouTube में you cannot write all this. You can just share the video. YouTube में ये पेज नहीं बना सकते. That is where there is another tool which comes into play, which I'm using. I'm recommending you the same tool, which is called System.io. Again, for you, it is free to start with. 3 funnels are free on System.io. Correct?
Oh, okay.
उसमें कुछ नहीं करना. It's a ready-made plug and play tool. जिधर आपको एक तो टेम्पलेट चूज करना है और उसमें ये वाला उठा के डाल देना. That's it. ठीक है? So your next stop would be to create that page, which is hardly a 5 minutes job. Again, 5 minutes job. ठीक है? But आपका जो मेन टाइम जो जाएगा ना, which is around 20 minutes, वो आपका प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने में जाएगा और प्रेजेंटेशन को शूट करने में जाएगा.
हाँ, मेरे लिए तो 2 घंटे हो जाएगा गारंटी.
नहीं, उतना टाइम नहीं लगता है. Make it as I said you yesterday.
I've already given whole text. I just need to customize it.
Yes. ठीक है? So now once this is done, अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम लोग यदि किसी को लिंक देंगे तो कौन सा लिंक देंगे टू बुक द कॉल? हम लोग इस पेज का लिंक देंगे. Will not give the direct call booking link which we have created on Calendly. Remember?
Calendly. They have to go through this whole page and then they have to book the call in this so that it will come to Calendly and that it will come to me and then also as a message.
Yes, yes. So now that particular link of Calendly which you have generated, that will be placed here somewhere, like I showed you, behind this button. I showed you na book a call. So ये जो book a call का बटन रहेगा ना, इसके पीछे रहेगा. Anybody clicking on this particular link will be redirected to that Calendly page and book their call. Clear? So this is the entire system. You're getting my point? So we backward integrated it. First, we created Calendly account. We connected to Zoom. Second, we are creating that presentation and shooting it on a video, right? And the third step is placing that video on this particular page. Yeah, so that we can integrate it all together. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So that is what we call an organic call booking funnel. Now remember, I'll remind you one thing. I told you whenever you were creating your LinkedIn profile optimization, right? There was a call to action button. DM me or, book a call with me, something like that, right? So once somebody is DMing you Scale, what you have to do? You have to send this link to book a call. You're getting my point? If somebody is DMing you Scale, what are you going to do? That means they are interested to talk to you. So you can simply say, hey, thank you. I got your word, DM Scale or DM something, right? Here is the link to book a call with me. Or you can talk to them for some while, understanding what they exactly are looking for. and then share this link so that they can book a call with you. Clear? That's the whole game. So this is called an organic call booking funnel. So यदि आपको मैंने बता दिया कैसे करना है, आपको VSL स्टाइल एक्सप्लेनर PPT मैंने शेयर कर दिया, राइट? आपको मैंने Zoom और Calendly का सेटअप कर दिया. Now one thing is pending, which is कि system.io पे आप कैसे बनाओगे, right? So I'll again ask you to do it right here in front of me. नहीं तो फिर आप
अभी मैं वीडियो ही नहीं बनाई ना सर.
अभी वीडियो बनाने का नहीं ना, आप system.io को ओपन करो, लॉगिन करो, create an account on system.io.
I'll share the screen, sir.
Yes, yes. So that's the beauty. अभी साथ में करने का है ना.
मजा ही है कुछ और. If you leave me like this, I would have been.
हाँ, मुझे देख के लग रहा था कि अभी नहीं करना है मुझे. Go to another tab, yeah. No, आपने क्या खोल दिया? Go to another tab. You have opened system.io, इसका Calendly का. इसको आप बंद कर सकते हो. Calendly is not needed now. वो बाद में जरूरत पड़ेगी. Open a new tab in your browser.
Voice have come. They have just hit my laptop, sir. So 1 मिनट में ऐसा कुछ हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं.
अरे out of 4.
आपने इतने सारे टैब खोल के क्यों रखे हैं? डोंट यू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड? मेरे को तो दिमाग में टेंशन हो जाता है इतना सारा टैब खुला रहता है तो.
मेरा पीस वहां पे होता है. आई डोंट नीड टू जगल एंड डिग डीप इनसाइड, सर.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
अरे
उस पे जाओ ना. हाँ, क्रोम वाले पे जाओ. क्रोम वाले पे जाके फिर देन यू गो टू द नेक्स्ट टैब.
it should usually show us. हाँ.
Yeah. Open a new tab, प्लस पे जाके. Yeah. टाइप करो सिस्टम, SYSTEME one more .io. Yes. Yeah. Open this. Again, sign up.
All of them are doing with my original account, sir, the main Prime account of mine.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Go to again, sign up for free, start for free now. Right hand side top.
ऊपर जाना है.
हाँ. You have not yet created any account here, ना? अभी तो
No,
कोई,
sir.
तो ठीक है, नया करता है. So again, click here. Again, Google. Continue with Google. Do not put email. Do not confuse. फिर उसमें login में दिक्कत होगा. Every time you have to choose Google and then select your account.
Yes, sir.
Continue. It will automatically take. Yes. Now your account is done. You have logged into this system.account with your Gmail, Google ID. So always log in with Google. Do not directly put your email ID. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see this is the dashboard. In the
मेरा नाम
dashboard,
कहीं पे नहीं आ रहा है. Should I need to reset anything?
you can rename your thing ना. उधर है ना जो profile. हाँ, setting. Yeah, click there. हाँ. You can put your name and everything here. You can put your profile image. राम तो ले ही दिया इधर. You can put your image and you can do it later on. इसके लिए
Later I'll do it, sir.
you can do it. ठीक है. Now what you have to do is go to sites. Can you see the sites? CRM के बगल में top में front upgrade dashboard CRM.
हाँ. Yes, sir.
Sales funnels.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, click on that. This is where you will have to create that 2-pager or 3-pager funnel. So these are pages ready-made, auto-built on this particular tool. ऐसे बहुत सारे tools हैं, but this is one of things which I've been using and it's very easy to use. Click on that.
I clicked oops, it looks like it's empty. The list is empty. Create करना है.
Yeah, create. ठीक है.
So I'm in sales funnel already.
Go to create. Yes. Now put your name. Funnel का नाम पूछता है. Funnel का नाम let's say कॉल बुकिंग आप डाल दो।
We can remove and add na sir those
हाँ,
three.
लेटर ऑन, या वो सब कर सकते हैं, एडिटिंग वगैरह। नाउ
Okay.
व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, आप उसको नेक्स्ट पूछ रहे हैं ना, चूज योर फनेल गोल, कस्टम कर दो, कस्टम, सिलेक्ट वन कस्टम, ठीक है। एंड देन करेंसी में यूरो की जगह आप INR कर दो। ऐसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट स्टिल यू कैन डू इट, यदि
यहाँ
ऑप्शन
पे
आ रहा
ना
है।
नहीं यार, नीचे जाना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, आएगा। यस, इंडियन रुपी, या सेव, ठीक है। नाउ यू सी ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, नेम के नीचे आ गया कॉल बुकिंग, ठीक है। सो अभी कॉल बुकिंग में आपने कुछ बनाया ही नहीं है, फिर सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू क्रिएट। कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे? गो टू फनल सेटिंग, राइट हैंड साइड जो गियर दिखता है ना, या
हाँ
या क्लिक ऑन दैट।
यस सर, एडिट फनल।
ये हो गया, ये तो ऑलरेडी डन है, ठीक है। सेव कर लो आप।
बुकिंग सेव करना है,
हाँ से,
डोंट टच।
अभी
ओके।
टैक्स उसका चक्कर में नहीं पड़ना है, या सो नाउ इट इज गो टू व्यू फनल, अदर
ये
सब्सक्रिप्शन।
सारे आ रहे हैं फनल में जा रहे
हाँ,
तो।
ऑब्वियसली अभी तो कुछ बनाया नहीं है ना, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गो बैक,
मैं
या सेल्स फनल पे ही चले जाओ ना, सेल्स फनल पे। हाँ, ठीक है, आप कॉल बुकिंग पे जाना,
कहाँ पे
लेफ्ट
है?
लेफ्ट में जो फनल लिस्ट है ना, उसी पे
हाँ हाँ
कॉल,
हाँ, यस
हाँ,
सर यस
कॉल
सर।
बुकिंग, या क्लिक ऑन इट, गो बैक,
आइए।
बैक बैक बटन से जाओ, बैक बटन से। ये जो 3 डॉट्स है ना
कॉल
राइट हैंड
बुकिंग।
साइड में, थ्री डॉट्स राइट साइड में, हाँ उस पे जाओ। नाउ इट इज सेइंग व्यू डुप्लीकेट शेयर डीएक्टिवेट सेटिंग्स, गो टू सेटिंग्स। अच्छा, अभी तो वही दिखा रहा है, चलो क्लोज कर लो आप इसको। अभी हमें इसको ना क्रिएट करना है, तो इसको क्रिएट करने के लिए क्लिक ऑन दिस अगेन, कॉल बुकिंग। इसमें फनल स्टेप्स पूछता है, आता है कॉन्फ़िगरेशन।
यू फनल लिख लो ना।
फनल में तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना अभी। सो इसमें एक ऑप्शन आता है, आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाई इट इज नॉट शोइंग अप। इसमें ना इट आस्क अबाउट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, व्हाट, क्या क्या आपको बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है, या यहाँ रहा है, ऐड स्टेप, सी बॉटम लेफ्ट, बॉटम बॉटम, कैन यू सी
हाँ।
ऐड स्टेप? यस, क्लिक ऑन ऐड स्टेप। किधर गया? हाँ, नाउ हियर यू नेम इट, मेन पेज आप डाल दो, मेन पेज,
मेन।
मेन पेज, या
ओके ओके।
एंड नाउ टाइप, इट इज आस्किंग अबाउट ऑर्डर फ्रॉम अपसेल, थैंक यू पेज, यू कैन जस्ट मेंशन सेल्स पेज ही रहने दो आप, सेल्स पेज, right? And now it is asking, can you see? Choose a template or start from scratch. So,
टेम्पलेट।
yeah, you can use a template if you are a beginner. Otherwise, you can start from scratch. Save. Now it will give you multiple templates. मैंने आपको दिखाया था ना? Now you can choose any of these templates. Correct? Any of this. Let's say हमें एक वीडियो वाला डालना है. Go down,
हाँ,
go down, go down, go down. एक वीडियो वाला कोई
इससे
टेम्पलेट यदि,
ज्यादा नीचे नहीं जा रहा है सर।
अच्छा इतना ही आ रहा है, नहीं नो यू
नेक्स्ट,
कैन, हाँ
ऐसे
नेक्स्ट,
जा रहा है
हाँ
नेक्स्ट।
हाँ नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट, एक बार और देखो कोई वीडियो वाला, हाँ देखो जैसे ये थर्ड वाला है ना, सेकेंड रो
ये
थर्ड, हाँ क्लिक ऑन दिस।
हाँ,
सो देर
एक
इज,
एक और देख लेंगे सर,
हाँ हाँ
जिसका
ऐसा,
फॉन्ट भी
हाँ ऐसा बहुत सारा है, वी कैन चेंज
बनाए
इट।
तो एक अच्छा ही बनेंगे, एक मिनट में हम देख लेंगे।
यस यस,
इसमें भी वीडियो नहीं है।
वो बना भी लेंगे, वीडियो वाला में कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, देर इज अ सेक्शन विच वी नीड टू ऐड, वो कोई सा में भी वीडियो ऐड कर लेंगे, ऐसा नहीं कि उसी को चूज
ओ,
करना है ना, यू कैन
so
चूज
whatever
एनी।
template we choose we can, then the first वाला पेज में पर्पल है मेरा कंपनी का कलर, आई मीन माई।
हाँ, सो गो बैक, उस सेटिंग में जाके वही पेज में, फर्स्ट पेज पे चले जाओ आप।
this one or this one. These two are.
चूज कर लो कोई सा भी, जो भी, whichever you wish. Let's do this. ठीक है. Now you have chosen, name आ गया,
We
URL
can
path.
change later, na sir?
Yeah, we can change anything later on. Don't worry about it. Now, right hand side, you can see there is a button called edit page. Edit page, right? Go to edit
Yes,
page.
sir.
Now you are editing that template which you have chosen. This is the template you have chosen. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now this is an image. एक image का बना हुआ है इधर. If you want to do that, ठीक है? Right side में इन्होंने कुछ रखा हुआ है. Go down. I'm just trying to tell you कि what is all possible with this. ठीक है? बहुत
Okay.
कुछ नहीं है, बहुत सा सिंपल सा चीज है. Right? So go up. Now if you want to add a particular section, like आपने बोला कि वीडियो ऐड करना है, ठीक है? आप देख रहे हो ना, ये जितने भी आप एरो लेके जा रहे हो ना, कर्सर, एवरीथिंग इज एडिटेबल. कैन यू सी? every single piece of element which is there on this particular page is editable. Correct? तो अभी हमें क्या करना है? Now we want some videos to be mentioned here. Correct? For example, so go up. किधर गए? उसी पेज पे आप जाना था. उसी पेज पे ना, यहाँ नहीं, अभी किधर कहीं चले गए आप? गूगल क्रोम पे चले गए. उसी पेज पे गो आप. हाँ, एडिटर पे जाओ. यस, इसी को स्क्रॉल करो आप.
Tripod. इसी पेज में ऊपर जा रहे हैं सर.
हाँ, ठीक है ना. नाउ आप देखोगे इसको, इस पे कहीं पे क्लिक करोगे तो दिस पर्टिकुलर पेज इज सेक्शन इज आल्सो एडिटेबल. कहीं पे क्लिक करो आप तो आपको लगेगा सब एडिटेबल है. आप देख रहे हो ना, हेडलाइन इज एडिटेबल. राइट? you go to the next, this is also editable. Everything is editable, right? Now if you want to add another section, ठीक है, आप देखो लेफ्ट में इसके बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आ रहे हैं. एलिमेंट्स, ब्लॉक्स, कैन यू सी?
यस सर.
लेफ्ट हैंड पेन में बहुत सारा ऑप्शंस आ रहे हैं. गो डाउन, उसमें स्क्रॉल करो आप, नीचे जाओ. देख रहे हो ना कितने सारे यहाँ पे. कैन यू सी?
यहाँ पे पेमेंट, फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट,
मीडिया, वीडियो, एवरीथिंग इज हियर, राइट? So now if you want to place a video, yeah, can you see? अब एक वीडियो का ऑटोमेटिकली इधर आ गया सेक्शन.
यूट्यूब से ले रही है वीडियो.
You दोनों ऑप्शन है. If you want to put a YouTube link, you can put it a YouTube link, or if you want to upload any particular video directly here, you can directly upload it here. Both ways it works. ठीक है? Now can you see how it is easy? How easy it is actually. तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. जैसे मेरा आपने देखा ना, वो लिंक मैं आपको शेयर कर देता हूँ इफ यू वांट. रुको, ताकि आप उससे रेफरेंस ले सकते हो, एंड यू कैन नॉट डू इन अ सिमिलर वे. गिव मी अ सेक. बहुत इसमें कोई ज्यादा आपको दिमाग नहीं लगाना. बहुत ज्यादा इसमें यू डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक एंड स्पेशल. मेक इट एज सिंपल एज पॉसिबल. ठीक है? तो मैंने अपने कॉल बुकिंग का लिंक दे दिया है फॉर यू टू रेफर. थोड़ा सा इसमें आपको टाइम लगाना पड़ेगा, विच विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम, क्योंकि आपको बहुत एलिमेंट्स चाहिए नहीं. हेडिंग एंड देन अ वीडियो बन जाएगा. वीडियो हम लोग यहाँ पे इंसर्ट कर देंगे. ठीक?
यस सर.
वंस दैट इज डन.
इसी में इफ आई वांटेड टू चेंज, अभी मुझे लग रहा है आई हैव टू चेंज द टेम्पलेट. कहाँ से चेंज करना सर?
गो बैक, पीछे चले जाओ और बैक. गो बैक अगेन.
इससे ज्यादा नहीं जा रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं, उसको हम लोग चेंज कर लेंगे ना. चूंकि आपने टेम्पलेट चूज कर लिया ना, इसको एग्जिट कर लो आप. You can again go and create. You can delete this entire thing as well, create a new thing as well. कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है.
ऐसे ही रख लूंगी बस.
Change page, yeah, you can go here. Change page template, yes. हाँ.
Yes,
so all these options are there. That is what I'm saying. You don't have to worry about it. Everything is editable, customizable, and everything.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Now you can choose any जो से एक वीडियो वाला था, आप वो भी चूज करके देख सकते हो.
I'll just check for some time which is the easiest and best option.
ठीक है?
जिसमें मुझे ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं डालने का है.
करेक्ट. सो वंस दैट मेन, नाउ दिस इज द मेन पेज, राइट. अभी मेन पेज के बाद हमें उनको थैंक यू पेज पे लेके जाना होता है.
सर हमने ओके भी कर दिया, वो टेम्पलेट नहीं आ रहे क्यों?
एक बार करो ना, चेंज पेज टेम्पलेट पे जाओ फिर से आप.
वी हैव डन दैट, चेंज पेज टेम्पलेट कंफर्म।
हाँ, तो आपने सेलेक्ट नहीं किया ना फिर इसमें से कौन सा, विच टेम्पलेट
नीचे
यू.
वाला बस ऑरेंज वन, इसके नीचे जो है वो, उसको ओके कर दी मैंने अभी के लिए।
ये वाला सेलेक्ट करो आप. हाँ.
हाँ।
नाउ गो टू एडिट पेज, तो
Edit?
दिखेगा. हाँ, एडिट पेज.
ओके। हाँ, डन सर।
ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन डू लिटिल चेंजेस हियर, उसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. यू कैन इंक्लूड योर वीडियो सेक्शन हियर, और जो मैंने आपको दिया टेम्पलेट के हिसाब से, यू डो नॉट हैव टू कीप ऑल दिस अबाउट अस, डिस्कोग्राफी, इवेंट्स. ये तो एक वेबसाइट का फॉर्मेट है, वो सब हटा देना है. जो हमें चाहिए दैट वी कैन जस्ट नीड टू कीप इट. ठीक है. यू कैन डिलीट दिस
इस
सेक्शन. हाँ, ये
हाँ
डिलीट करोगे सब डिलीट हो जाएगा. मैं बोला ना, एवरी एलिमेंट ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर पेज इज एडिटेबल.
कैन बी, हाँ एडिटेड।
सब कुछ एडिटेबल है, डोंट वरी. इवन द इमेज विच यू कैन सी ऑन द बैकग्राउंड, दैट इज ऑल्सो एडिटेबल. वो भी एडिट हो जाएगा.
हाउ कैन आई चेंज दिस?
विच वन? द इमेज.
इमेज।
गो सेक्शन, वो दिख रहा है ना ऊपर आपने.
क्या है?
हाँ हाँ, उस इसके सेटिंग में जाओ, राइट हैंड साइड में गियर है.
हाँ इमेज।
नो नो नो, नॉट दिस वन. यू क्लिक ऑन द बैकग्राउंड. बैकग्राउंड पे क्लिक करके राइट हैंड साइड में देर इज अ ग्रीन कलर. हाँ, उसके ऊपर वो सेटिंग का बटन है. सेटिंग है, या क्लिक ऑन दैट सेटिंग.
यस सर।
क्लिक करो. क्लिक किया आपने?
यहाँ पे ये सेटिंग्स आ रहे हैं।
नहीं नहीं, राइट हैंड साइड में जो सेटिंग आ रहा था पेज पे. हाँ 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 हाँ, उसके बगल वाला.
कॉपी।
गियर. हाँ हाँ, दैट सेटिंग, यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. क्लिक किया आपने?
वो क्लिक करने के बाद ये आ गया।
ठीक है. सो नाउ इट इज शोइंग, कैन यू सी हियर बैकग्राउंड इमेज? देर इज अ बैकग्राउंड इमेज ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड.
हम्म।
यू कैन चेंज दैट. You
ओके।
can change or click here and see what image you want to put. क्लिक करके देखो, आप पूछेगा कैन यू सी डिलीट इमेज. यहाँ पे डिलीट इमेज का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, आप डिलीट कर सकते हो. या इट इज गॉन.
इफ आई वांट टू स्किप माइन।
तो यू नीड टू अपलोड योर इमेज. कैन यू सी अपलोड का ऑप्शन आ गया. बैकग्राउंड इमेज अपलोड. इधर इधर वहीं पे. बैक वही वही लेफ्ट साइड बैकग्राउंड इमेज के.
अपलोड, हाँ
या
हाँ हाँ।
सो यू क्लिक ऑन अपलोड, इट विल आस्क अबाउट योर इमेज. अब अपना इमेज उसमें डाल लो, योर इमेजेस. Click or upload. Yes, put any one of your image just for trial. You can try any one
जस्ट
of
फॉर
your
ट्रायल
image.
ओनली सर,
Yeah,
या।
yeah. कोई सा भी एक इमेज अभी ट्राई आप कर लो. ओपन. सेलेक्ट करके ओपन क्लिक कर लो. या इट इज अपलोडिंग. इंसर्ट. या आ गया.
ओके।
You can remove this, text and all everything. But every time whenever you do, just keep on making this save. सेव का बटन है ना, सेव करते जाओगे तो सेव होता रहेगा, नहीं तो सेव नहीं होगा.
ओके।
क्लिक ऑन
या
सेव.
बेबी।
इजी है, बहुत
यस
इजी है रम्या. आई एम टेलिंग यू ना, इफ यू सिट हियर इट विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम. मतलब
यस सर,
फॉर
यस सर।
पर्सन लाइक यू, आई थिंक ये जितना काम मैंने बताया ना, इट्स हार्डली 1 hour जॉब. Hardly 1 hour job. But yes, you can keep on changing and trying something other. But for the basic thing, 1 hour is sufficient.
यस सर।
अब इसमें क्या है ना, मे बी दिस इज योर फर्स्ट मेन पेज. अब मेन पेज बनने के बाद क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको, उसमें नेक्स्ट पेज जोड़ना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू इंसर्ट दोज लिंक्स. जो हमने बोला ना, कैलेंडर का लिंक कहाँ डालेंगे आप?
नीचे, सबसे नीचे आना है कैलेंडर का लिंक।
नहीं नहीं, इसमें नहीं, इसमें आपको नेक्स्ट पेज ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट पेज. अब इसमें इतना सारा चीज की जरूरत है ही नहीं आपको. करेक्ट.
ये तो इवेंट मैनेजर का है
हाँ, ये तो
पूरा।
इवेंट मैनेजमेंट का है. सो यू विल हैव टू एक्सप्लोर दैट एट योर एंड, कि कौन सा पेज, एक छोटा सा कुछ भी नहीं करे ना तो स्टार्टिंग से स्क्रैच से बना सकते हैं, जैसा हमने बनाया. इट वोंट टेक मच टाइम, राइट. एंड
एग्जिट
वंस यू
करूं
डू.
सर? यू वांट मी टू गेट इनटू द प्रीवियस
हाँ
थिंग समवेयर आई कैन सी?
हाँ हाँ, यू कैन एग्जिट इट. सेव
नो।
कर लो. अच्छा, कुछ भी नहीं, बाद में एडिट भी हो सकता है. यू कैन सेव इट और नो वट एवर यू वॉन्ट.
नो नो।
ठीक है. सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, अब आपका मेन पेज बन गया. अब यहाँ पे सेकंड में एक और है, ऐड स्टेप. कैन यू सी बॉटम में,
बॉटम में?
लेफ्ट बॉटम,
हाँ।
ऐड स्टेप, जहाँ पे हमने गए थे. नाउ
Yes, sir.
अगेन यू हैव टू मेंशन इट इज एट अ थैंक यू पेज. नेम कर दो आप, वो मेन पेज था ना, ये थैंक यू पेज कर दो. राइट, यहाँ पे टाइप में चूज कर लो फिर से आप, थैंक यू पेज, थैंक यू पेज, थैंक यू पेज. यस, सेव. So again, it will tend to take you to a thank you page. Can thank you, congratulations. Can you see?
Oh,
Select anyone.
yes, yes.
Select anyone. कोई एग्जाम्पल ले लो, पर्पल वाला ले लो.
Oh, sorry, sir.
चलो कोई सा भी ले लो, कोई बात नहीं है. Nothing to worry. So
ले ली
again,
मैंने.
again you have to edit this page. Go to
एडिट का ऑप्शन, एडिट पेज यहाँ पे.
हाँ हाँ. Right. Now it is telling you thank you. अब इसमें कुछ टेक्स्ट लिखना है, you can include a text thing and something like that. कुछ भी आप कर सकते हो and so on and so forth. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमें कॉल बुकिंग लिंक देना है. If somebody wants to book a call, तो what we have to do, go up, इसी पेज में go up, इसी पेज में go up. हाँ, अब सपोज कर लो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ पे जो सब्सक्राइब लिखा है ना,
हाँ.
सब्सक्राइब की जगह यू कैन चेंज द टेक्स्ट. क्लिक ऑन सब्सक्राइब, उसमें यू कैन चेंज दिस टू टेक्स्ट एज बुक अ कॉल.
आई थिंक यू द व्हील के ऊपर मुझे जाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ हाँ, यहाँ पे है ना, कैन यू सी? नहीं नहीं नहीं, उसमें नहीं नहीं, इसी इसी पे आप क्लिक करो ना,
क्लिक कर दी.
डबल क्लिक करो, डबल क्लिक. हाँ, कैन यू सी इधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में? ओह, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में इट इज आस्किंग अबाउट, चूंकि ये बटन है, सो ये बटन में पूछता है कि
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
इधर किधर जाएगा.
बटन का टेक्स्ट.
हाँ, बटन टेक्स्ट. यस, चेंज दैट बटन टेक्स्ट हियर. Book your
Book a
call
call?
now. Yeah, book a call here. Yeah, book now. Book your call now. Whatever you want. ठीक है, अभी बुक कैसे होगा नाउ? अब इसके पीछे आपको लिंक डालना पड़ेगा. राइट, सो गो अप अगेन, गो स्क्रॉल अप. लेफ्ट साइड वाला पेन, लेफ्ट साइड वाला पेन को स्क्रॉल अप करो आप. हाँ
हाँ,
ठीक,
इस पे.
हाँ ठीक है. अब फिर से इस बटन पे क्लिक करो, बुक अ कॉल नाउ. इट विल आस्क अबाउट अ लिंक. या लेफ्ट में देखिए,
हाँ
ओपन
हाँ,
एक्शन
URL.
व्हेन, या एक्शन व्हेन बटन इज क्लिक्ड, ओपन यूआरएल. विच यूआरएल? यूआरएल यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है. सो जो आपने
ऐसा.
आपने मम्मी को बोला था ना, वो या
हाँ हाँ.
यूआरएल, पुट दैट लिंक हियर. जो आपने कैलेंडली का लिंक बनाया था ना, मम्मी को भेजा था, वो लिंक इधर
यस
आएगा.
सर.
या
आ गया.
आ गया. अब इसको सेव कर
यस
दो,
सर.
अब सेव
इसका
कर दो.
सामने हैशटैग भी है. शुड आई रिमूव इट?
या रिमूव दैट हैशटैग, उसकी जरूरत नहीं.
इट इज डिफॉल्ट, इट इज गिवन इन दैट वन.
Yeah, it's not needed. Yeah. Now save this. For example, I'm just showing you. We can anytime save. Right hand side में save जो है. ठीक है. Done. So now this way, what we have done is, I've told you how to route this person to your call booking by showing the main page, then the thank you page, and then book a call now. Clear? Now what you have to do is, now exit this. Exit करो आप. exit बटन. हाँ, अभी क्या होगा, मैंने बोला था कि आपको एक लिंक चाहिए होगा, है ना? विच लिंक यू नीड टू शेयर टू द पीपल. नाउ गो टू द मेन पेज. मेन पेज पे क्लिक करो आप. थैंक यू पेज के ऊपर जो मेन पेज है उस पर क्लिक करो आप.
यस सर.
हाँ, उस पर क्लिक करो. अब यहाँ पे कैन यू सी द यूआरएल पाथ?
हाँ.
रम्या अगस्ती. अब यहाँ पे एक वो ना, राइट हैंड साइड में एक स्लग है, 9DEC1E02.
यस सर.
इसको आप कस्टमाइज भी कर सकते हो. क्लिक हियर एंड यू कैन मेंशन कॉल बुकिंग और समथिंग. इसको इसको आप डिलीट करो, इस पे मेंशन करो अपना कॉल बुकिंग. इसमें स्पेस नहीं लेगा रम्या. इट वोंट अलाउ यू ए स्पेस.
ये लेगा सर.
एक बार ट्राई कर लो. अब लिंक पे क्लिक करो, राइट हैंड साइड पे जो लिंक आ रहा है ना, लिंक का ऑप्शन, हाँ क्लिक करो. नहीं, द वैल्यू इज नॉट वैलिड. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं लेगा. ये बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट लेता है, विदाउट एनी स्पेस, विदाउट एनी करेक्टर. कॉल नाउ, दैट्स इट. नाउ
आ गया.
yes, now open it, this particular link in your any another tab. You have already copied this. Go and see कि अभी हमने क्या बनाया है. I'm just wanted to give you an example कि what we have done. Yeah.
डायरेक्टली आ गया।
नहीं, ये तो कैलेंडली का आ गया ना। कैलेंडली का नहीं,
हाँ।
मुझे मेन पेज का चाहिए था।
ओह,
गो
आई
बैक।
थिंक वी हैव।
वो सेल्स फनल में जाओ, सेल्स फनल ऊपर, ऊपर ही, ऊपर ऊपर, लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट, हाँ।
मेन पेज पे ही है हम। वी हैव
हम
डन
मेन
दिस।
पेज का ये लिंक कॉपी करो आप, ये वाला लिंक, इधर इधर जो
ये।
लिंक, नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये जो लिंक का ऑप्शन दिखा रहा है ना,
हाँ
वही वही,
हाँ हाँ।
इसको कॉपी करो आप।
कॉपी।
हाँ, देन पेस्ट इट हियर, या
ओके।
नाउ इट हैज टेकन यू टू द मेन पेज, गो डाउन। अब इसमें ये सब आ जाएगा, ठीक है। अब आप यदि बुक नाउ या कहीं पे क्लिक करो तो देखो क्या लेके जा रहा है, कुछ कह रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है। इट विल
ओह, इट
टेक यू
हैज
टू,
इंटीग्रेटेड बोथ द बुकिंग पेज एंड थैंक यू पेज, दोनों की इंटीग्रेशन हो गया।
एग्जैक्टली, तभी तो इसको बोलते हैं ना,
ओके।
ठीक है। बट अभी बुक नाउ में कुछ होगा नहीं, क्योंकि इसके पीछे आपने तो लगाया नहीं है ना कोई लिंक।
कैलेंडर का लिंक लगाना है ना।
हाँ, लगाओगे तब आपको लेके जाएगा। सो बाय डिफॉल्ट इट हैज डन इट। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज, you have made a main page, you have made a thank you page, and you have integrated your calendar link with the thank you page, right? Now if you want
यस।
to check it separately, now click on the thank you page, click on the thank you page,
ओके।
ठीक है। और थैंक यू पेज का लिंक आप कॉपी करो।
इसमें भी टू ई इस लग
हाँ,
है।
इसको आप थैंक यू कह सकते हो या जो भी है, यू कैन कस्टमाइज इट, ठीक है। And copy this link to another tab. Yes. Now you can see this page separately as well. And when you click on this book a call now, it will take you to the call Calendly link. क्योंकि इसके पीछे आपने वो लगा रखा है. It is taking you to that.
हाँ। यस सर।
हो गया, बन गया। अब
यस
इसको
सर।
आपको बस फाइनलाइज करना है. See, I have given you the entire system. I have given you the entire template.
I have to make the video and I have to set the proper template, edit my
Yes,
subject in it.
yes, yes. Now I'll tell you, if you are, इसको बंद करो रम्या, I'll tell you a secret now. If you go in the market and ask any funnel designer to create something, they'll charge you minimum 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees. You can go and try doing it, because लोगों को लगता है ना कि this is so difficult. So it's not that difficult, and the
वो कल
tools
आप
are,
सुनीता मैडम से भी बोल रहे हैं, यू डू इट देन आई टेल यू इट इज दिस
exactly.
हाँ।
Because if she goes to any funnel builder, they'll minimally they'll be charging 25,000. उसके नीचे तो कोई charge करता ही नहीं है. Right. And if there are good people who will be charging even better, 25 का 50 लाख. See, I have seen people paying, especially the foreigners. अभी तो हम बेसिक बना रहे हैं, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. इफ यू सी माई फनल्स, यू विल सी देयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इंटीग्रेटेड इनटू दैट. यदि मेरा फनल आप देखोगे तो इट्स नॉट दैट इजी, उसमें टाइम लगता है बनाने में. बट इट इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट एज वेल कि जिसके लिए इफ यू वांट टू पे लाख ऑफ रुपीज और 2 लाख रुपीज और 4 लाख रुपीज. दैट्स द पॉइंट. सो मैं अभी आप लोगों को वही बता रहा हूँ विच यू कैन डू विदाउट पेइंग एनीथिंग. सो आई टोल्ड यू टू यूज system.io विदाउट एनी पेमेंट, राइट? I told you
यस
to
सर।
use Calendly without any payment.
यस
Okay.
सर।
And I'm telling you to explore the payment gateways, which is, Razorpay.
इधर रेसर पे।
रेजर पे अभी आप करो इंडिया वाला, क्योंकि वो स्ट्राइप थोड़ा सा और टाइट रहता है. आप रेजर पे करो, वो उसमें कोई मुश्किल की काम नहीं है, ठीक है. सो यू डू दैट. तो आपका ये तीनों चीजें एक सिस्टम बन जाती हैं. एंड वेन एवर यू आर टॉकिंग टू समबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड, आप बोलो फाइन, थैंक यू सो मच सर, आई एम सेंडिंग यू अ लिंक, प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस डिटेल्स एंड बुक अ कॉल, विल मीट एंड देन डिस्कस. तो क्या होता है ना, आपकी अथॉरिटी बनती है. नाउ पीपल आर नॉट कि गए और राम्या से बात कर लिया. टू कम टू राम्या दे हैव टू क्रॉस दिस 3 layers. So
यस
Ramya
सर।
is at authority stage, remember. तो वो स्टेज तक जाने के लिए, if somebody is not coming to those, not following, that means these people are not worthy enough to come on a call. वो अपने आप ही छोड़ देंगे, कॉल बुक करेंगे ही नहीं. जो इंटरेस्टेड होगा वो पूरा देख के कॉल बुक करेगा. और इसमें बस वही पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन भी कर लेंगे. इफ somebody is interested to come to you, want to pay, तो पे करके भी आएगा. So all these options are available. So I created a basic funnel for you, और आपको बस इसको फाइनलाइज करना है.
Yes, sir. I feel it now. I have a personal assistant for me to do all these things.
Yeah, actually these tools are there to help us, isn't it? अब यही ना, लोगों को पता नहीं होता है. सो मार्केट इज ऑल लाइक दैट. पीपल आर मेकिंग गुड मनी by telling people, अरे बहुत बड़ा काम है, it is taking months and months. You will not remember person like me. When I started, I paid 1.5 lakhs, and that person, made me wait for 3 months to do this bloody shit which I told you in less than 1 hour time. He waited me for he made me wait for 3 months to do this nonsense thing, and I paid him 1.5 lakhs for this thing. That's the difference.
Swami.
That's the difference. So at that time I was not aware. I was also a beginner. I was not aware कि ऐसा, मुझे भी लगता था कि यार पता नहीं क्या है नहीं है. I was not aware of all these tools. So जब मैंने पे किया ना, जब देखा इतना घटिया बना के वो मुझे दिया, मैंने कहा let me get into this. And when I started exploring, मैंने कहा यार इससे तो 10 गुना नहीं 50 गुना अच्छा मैं बना लूंगा खुद से. And I did. I did everything on my own. And the same tool which I'm teaching you.
Super, sir.
So that's why I'm telling you, having a mentor on your side who has gone through the journey. So मैंने पैसा लगाया है, धोखा खाया है, चोट लगाया है. तो उसके बाद मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि अब आपको धोखा और चोट खाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
You have already invented the bulb, so we
Yes,
don't need to do the 10,000
exactly.
mistakes.
If you trust me fully, because I know what all you will be needing, and I'm there to help you. जहां पे टूल की जरूरत होगी, I told you कि वीडियो IQ आप ले लेना, वहां पे मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि मैनुअल करोगे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा. बट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, दिस आर अगेन वन टाइम थिंग. एक बार आपने कर लिया ना, तो आपका सिस्टम बन गया. वंस योर सिस्टम इज बिल्ड, यू आर फ्री. आप अपना घूमो फिरो, जैसा कोई कॉल बुक होगा, यू विल गेट नोटिफाइड somebody has booked a call based on your availability. Go take the call, close the client. That's it. खत्म. ऐसे ही करने का है.
Khatam.
It becomes easier. Actually, systems are there to help us. And this simple
I can
automation.
really now, सुकून मेरा मन में आ रहा है. Now I can really declutter the people whom I really don't need.
Yeah.
ऐसे अचानक they keep taking time for us and they'll not allow us. You keep asking me, where did your time go, Ramya? These people come for an inquiry and it goes for a toss. आधा घंटा 2 घंटा, they don't know what they keep saying. Even if I cut, I may look rude for them. So I have to bear on my side. Now the Zoom will take the part of it. Stop.
I'll tell you why it is happening, because you have not created any filters. Now you have created two filters here. One, the questions, the Calendly questions. And second, the video. First, the video. They have to see the video, number one. And then they have to answer the Calendly questions. So you have created two filters. If somebody is clearing those two filters, that means they are definitely a better prospect to talk to. And even if you find some questions not being answered properly or not suiting, you can have the liberty to cancel the call anytime you want. Politely saying, see, I read your answers and I think it's not the right time for you. Maybe I'm not the right fit for you, or maybe you have not answered diligently, so I'm not able to make it out what else you want. So either fill it, refill it, or let's postpone this call, or I'm canceling this call. You have the full right to do that. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी ने बुक कर दिया तो आपको कॉल पे जाना ही जाना है, ऐसा नहीं है ना. So that authority you have to create.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So you can take reference of my, मैंने आपको 2-3 डॉक्यूमेंट अभी शेयर किया है. एक तो अपना कॉल बुकिंग फनल के क्वेश्चन शेयर किया है, अपना पूरा कॉल बुकिंग फनल दे दिया है आपको टू गिव अ रेफरेंस टू, और तीसरा मैंने आपको वो दिया है प्रेजेंटेशन का टेम्पलेट दिया है विच यू हैव टू क्रिएट. So if you create this, you will be having a organic call booking funnel, which we call, ready at your place with just a link. And you can share that link anywhere so that people who wants to come to you and talk to you, they'll not waste your time. And you do not have to entertain anybody who is directly booking the call. See, the call booking link should not be going anywhere and everywhere. It should be just behind the funnel. जो लिंक हमने बोला ना, वही होना चाहिए. Let people go through the entire system. Otherwise, if you deviate your own system, remember, if you deviate your own system, if people are not watching your videos and other things, if you directly give them a call booking link, तो वो जाएंगे,
आधा घंटा 2 घंटा.
हाँ, तो वो भी वेस्ट हो जाएगा. तो प्लीज डू नॉट फॉलो द सिस्टम. जो भी आएगा ढंग का आएगा, आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होगा. रिमेंबर.
Sure, sir. Sure. I'm feeling, I mean, I couldn't put the right word for it, but I can feel the pleasantness from inside. This was a horror show for us, na? Whenever we were like in the previous other different coaching systems, they always said the reason I took my back step is the technology part. I can do things from my end as a Ramya, what I can do, but the technology is something like it's a durki na nakshatra hai. It always troubled me. Like right now you are there. That's the reason you can connect to my Zoom thing. That's the reason you can connect to my first page, last page. If you'd have given me a video, Ramya matha poda karke jao means ho gaya. I would have been lost forever.
Right. So
Thank
that's
you,
what I'm
sir. Thank
saying.
you.
Technology is not so difficult. People are making money because they have created some, havoc in the minds of people like you कि लगता है यार बहुत बड़ा काम है. So either they'll be, taking a lot of money from you, they'll making you, pause कि चल भाई मेरे काम
Scared also. They're making the whole system as a very scary part. अरे
Yeah,
इसको छोड़ो यार, भाग जाओ. That is the first option we are finding it.
exactly. तो ऐसा है नहीं. It's very simple. And I'm a guy
आज
who
Sita
adopts.
madam would have come, she would have been gone mad.
I was expecting her to. उन्होंने बोला था कि वो आएंगी. But anyway, see, I opened it for everybody.
You gave them a gift on August 15th to
Yes,
everybody.
yes. Now, if people are not coming, what should I do? I'm teaching like, even the people who are charging 10 lakhs, they are not, I'm telling you, nobody is giving this kind of a hand holding, even if they are charging 10 lakh of rupees. उसके बाद वो क्या करते हैं? Go and hire somebody to do this. और फिर उसको आप 2 लाख 3 लाख रुपए अलग से देते हो. हाँ,
You are
people are
an
doing
angel,
it.
sir. आपका कोई, there's no replacement of your ideology and support. You're an angel.
So my point is simple. If you have come with a trust, I'll empower you to do everything. Yes, I know there would be a time where you'll be needing some other resources to help you do that. हर काम अभी आप कर सकते हो because you are a beginner. जैसे जैसे business बढ़ेगा, you'll be needing those people to work on your behalf. कर लेंगे ना? But अभी के लिए you don't need to pay anything.
पहले
Sorry.
गाड़ी थोड़ा बाहर जाने के बाद, then we can improve the mileage.
Exactly. So I
Sir, I'll
think
also save the recording of this thing, sir, so that if I lost, I can go back and watch step 1, step 2.
see, this is already getting streamed on YouTube. That is one. I'm also recording this. If you want to get this recording separately as well, you can go, or you can go on my YouTube channel. I can watch it. It's already there. इसीलिए मैं इसको live कर ही रहा हूँ कि if anybody wants to refer to this particular video, you can go and watch it. Everything would be there. No issues. ठीक है? Any questions?
इसके बारे में नहीं, sir. Once I start doing, I may definitely get something, and I hope I'll not get any doubt and do it very easily.
It's easy to do, I'll tell you. It's easy to do and see, everything is drop and drag. आपको कुछ भी हो, और एक और चीज मैं बताता हूँ. Before coming to me, if you want to, यदि मान लो आप कुछ करना चाह रहे हो, नहीं हो रहा है, इतने सारे YouTube वीडियोस है ना system.io के, जितने भी टूल है, you simply go on YouTube channel and type how to do this on system.io. You will get a video. एक्सप्लेनेटरी वीडियो, मतलब मेरे को कुछ बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसके बाद भी नहीं होता है तो आई एम ऑलरेडी देयर, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, इतना बढ़िया टूल है, इतना सिंपल टूल है, और इतने सारे ट्यूटोरियल वीडियोस ऑलरेडी बने हुए हैं ना कि आपको कुछ दिक्कत होगा ही नहीं. फिर भी इफ यू हैव एनी चैलेंज, आई एम ऑलरेडी देयर. उसके लिए कोई सोचना नहीं.
Any of the video now currently you're making and you made me do, it's the same.
या डन.
Thank
Good.
you, sir.
Rahul ji is not there. I'm not sure whether he'll be joining or not. So if nothing is there, we can close the call now.
Yes, sir. You can stop the recording, sir.
Okay. So first of all, I'll stop the recording.